What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Brian Tong, and welcome to 2025. Artificial intelligence isn't sci-fi anymore. It's everywhere, from your phone to your coffee maker. AI is quietly changing the world, making things faster, smarter, and more connected. You might not even notice it, but it's already part of your daily routine. Think streaming recommendations or your navigation app. This isn't something to fear. It's a new frontier, and you're in the front row. You might think AI is just for tech geniuses, but that's not true anymore. Learning to use a tool like ChatGPT is as essential now as learning the internet was in the 90s. It's like getting a superpower, a smart assistant ready to help 24/7, and it's easier to learn than you think. Imagine a tool that helps you write emails, plan meals, or even help your kid with homework. This isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about boosting it. By learning ChatGPT, you're future-proofing your skills and staying ahead. We'll break it all down, step by step with no jargon, so you'll be using ChatGPT like a pro in no time. Let's dive in and unlock your inner AI master. So, what is ChatGPT? Imagine a friend who's read almost everything and can chat about any topic. ChatGPT is a chatbot powered by a massive language model, trained on tons of internet text. It's more than a search engine. It gives you direct, conversational answers. You can ask it to explain complex topics simply, summarize reports, or brainstorm ideas. It understands context, so you can have a real back-and-forth conversation. For students, it's a research assistant. For professionals, a productivity booster. At home, a planner or creative partner. It can help you learn languages, plan trips, or generate YouTube ideas. The possibilities are endless. Think of it as a brilliant intern who never gets tired. It's not a person, it doesn't have feelings, but it's incredibly helpful. ChatGPT predicts the next word based on patterns, simulating understanding and creativity. That's what makes it revolutionary. It's your new digital sidekick, ready for any challenge. Let's see what it can do for you. Ready to try ChatGPT? Head to the OpenAI website and sign up. It's as easy as creating any online account. Once you're in, you'll see a simple chat window. Don't be intimidated. This is where the magic happens. Type your message, call to prompt, into the box at the bottom. Start with something fun. Hello, can you tell me a fun fact about the ocean? ChatGPT will reply in seconds. Congrats, you've just chatted with AI. Try follow-up questions. ChatGPT remembers context, so you don't have to repeat yourself. Guide the conversation, ask for clarifications, and explore topics naturally. Experiment. Ask for a joke, a recipe, or an explanation of a scientific concept. Be clear and specific in your prompts. The more detail, the better the response. For example, instead of "write about cars," try "write a short paragraph about the history of electric cars for a 10-year-old." Give the AI a role, topic, and audience for best results. Don't be afraid to experiment. The best way to learn is by doing. Try different questions and see what happens. You'll be amazed at what you can do. Now let's see how ChatGPT fits into real life. For students, it's a tutor, explaining math, summarizing history, or checking your writing. At work, it drafts emails, brainstorms presentations, and helps you prep for meetings. It's a productivity powerhouse. Planning a trip? ChatGPT can build a detailed itinerary, suggest restaurants, and offer travel tips. Want to eat healthier? It'll generate meal plans and grocery lists. Picking up a new hobby? Ask for a 30-day learning plan. It's your travel agent, nutritionist, and life coach rolled into one. Need a bedtime story for your kid? Give it a prompt, and it'll spin a tale. From social media posts to gadget manuals, the possibilities are endless. Just identify a task and ask for help. ChatGPT's got your back. You've got the basics. Now let's level up your prompts. The secret? The better your input, the better the output. Assign a role to the AI. You are a world-renowned astrophysicist. Explain black holes to a high schooler. Give examples if you want a specific style. This is called few-shot prompting. For marketing slogans, here are some I like. Think different. Just do it. Now, create 10 for my coffee shop, the daily grind. Add constraints, specify word count, tone, audience, keywords, or format. The more details, the more tailored the response. Don't be afraid to iterate. If the answer isn't perfect, ask for changes, make it shorter, or use a friendlier tone. Build on previous responses in the same chat. Treat it as a dialogue, refine your requests, and steer the AI where you want. With practice, you'll create amazing customized results. The more you experiment, the better you'll get. Unlock ChatGPT's full potential with smart prompting. As you get comfortable, watch out for common mistakes. Don't trust AI answers blindly. ChatGPT can sound right but be wrong. Always double-check important info. Vague prompts get vague answers. Be specific. What are 3 low-budget marketing strategies for a new online bookstore targeting young adults? Protect your privacy. Never share sensitive info like passwords or bank details. Treat your chat as public. Be mindful of what you share. Don't let AI do all your thinking. Use it to brainstorm and learn, but keep your brain in the driver's seat. Use ChatGPT to augment your intelligence, not replace it. Combine your creativity with AI's power for the best results. Stay aware of privacy settings and data use. The real power comes from your judgment plus AI's capabilities. Be the director, not just the audience. AI is evolving fast, and ChatGPT keeps getting smarter. In 2025, it's not just text. It's multimodal. It can see, hear, and speak. Voice interaction lets you talk to ChatGPT naturally, great for learning languages or brainstorming on the go. It can now understand images. Upload a fridge photo and ask, "What can I make for dinner?" Or snap a chart and get a simple explanation. Even sketch a website, upload it, and ask for HTML code. ChatGPT can browse the web in real time. Get today's news, stock prices, or recent discoveries. With plugins, it can book flights, order groceries, or manage your calendar. Stay curious. Explore new features as they roll out. Take time each month to try updates and experiment. The future is unfolding fast. Keep learning. ChatGPT is your ever-evolving digital companion. You've learned what ChatGPT is, how to use it, and how to get creative. The key is to use AI wisely. Be responsible, give credit, and never spread misinformation. Technology is a tool. Its impact depends on you. Your AI journey is just beginning. Commit to lifelong learning. Follow tech news, join online communities, and keep experimenting. The skills you build now will open doors in the future. You're a pioneer on the digital frontier. What you do matters. Use AI to solve problems, learn new skills, and connect with others. Don't fear the unknown. Embrace change with optimism. You have a powerful co-pilot for the future. The age of AI is here, and it's more accessible than ever. You don't need to be a programmer. Just stay curious and keep learning. Go out, create, and help shape a smarter tomorrow. Let's get it.